Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you guitar tutorial of Say You Won't Let Go by James Arthur. It is pretty easy and it has 4 chords and you need a capo on a 3rd fret. Put your capo on a 3rd fret. And our chords, it has 4 chords throughout the whole song. And our first chord is G, G major, G. This is G. Middle finger in a 6th string, 6th fret. Index finger, 5th string, 5th fret. Ring finger, 1st string, 6th fret. And it sounds like this. And our second chords is D. Index finger, 3rd string, 5th fret. Middle finger, 1st string, 5th fret. And our ring finger, 2nd string, 6th fret. And our third chords is A minor, index finger, 5th string, 5th fret. Middle finger, 4th string, 5th fret. And our last chord is C. Index finger, 2nd string, 4th fret. And our middle finger, 3rd string, 4th string, 4th string, 5th fret. And our last ring finger on the 5th string, 6th fret. And it sounds like this. I'll repeat. Our C chords, major, index finger, 2nd string, 4th fret, middle finger, 3rd string, middle finger, 4th string, 4th string, and 5th fret on our 6th ring finger, 6th fret, 5th string. It looks like this. Our first chord is G, like that, G. And it sounds like this. Next chord, D. A minor, C. Our strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, down. I repeat. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, 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 up, up, down, down. Down, down, up, up, down, down. And down, down, up, up, down, down. Slowly. Down, down, up, up, down, down. D. Down, down, up, up, down, down. A minor. Down, down, up, up, down, down. C. Down, down, up, up, down, down. faster or moderate. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. For the intro, just repeat G, D, E minor, C in 2 times. And it down, down, up, down, 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 and down, down, up, down, down, and down, down, up, down, down. For the verse, the whole song, G, D, E minor, C, I will sing. I met you in the dark, D. You left me up, A minor. You made me feel still, C. I was not. Ba. Go back to G. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were choking up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I've already told you. I think that you should get some rest. You just repeat the whole song and sing it and practice. It is easy for beginners. I know I love you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cold and I was scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Just say I wanna let go. Just say I wanna let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school with them goodbye. I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forget I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. And you look as beautiful as ever. I swear that everything get better. You make me feel this way somehow. And that's it, guys. If you want to play this song, it is pretty easy. Practice it, and I hope you like it my video. Thanks, bye.